Imagine you've just spent $18,000 replacing your old heating system. The installers have finished. Your brand new heat pump is running perfectly. You breathe a sigh of relief. Then, you discover something. If you had waited just a little longer,
you could have saved up to $8,000. Not because the equipment was wrong, not because the installation was poor, but because you applied in the wrong order. California's HEEHRA Rebate program has become one of the biggest opportunities for homeowners looking to replace an old heating system. But it's also become one of the most misunderstood.
Some websites tell you the program is over. Others tell you to apply immediately. Some contractors tell homeowners to install first and worry about the rebate later. That advice could cost you thousands.
In this video, I'm going to show you why Phase I suddenly ran out of money, what the confirmed $152 million Phase II actually means, who can still qualify and who doesn't. I will also share the 3 mistakes that could stop you receiving a rebate, and the 3 things every California homeowner should do today, even if applications aren't currently open.
Before we go any further, let's answer the one question almost everyone watching this video is asking. Can you still get California HEEHRA rebates in 2026?
The answer is yes, but it depends on your situation, and that's where a lot of the confusion starts. The original Phase I funding for single-family homes has now been fully reserved across California.
That means if you're a homeowner hoping to submit a brand new Phase I application, you can't. To explain, it doesn't mean HEEHRA has ended. Far from it.
Now let's talk money. The California Energy Commission has already confirmed that another $152 million has been allocated for Phase II. Oh yes, the program is still very much alive. Pro tip, do not begin the installation process before your rebate reservation is approved. This is one of the biggest mistakes homeowners are making, assuming they can install first and claim the rebate later. The smartest thing you can do is figure out where you fit. Every homeowner's situation is different, so instead of another confusing government chart, let's look at 3 real-life families. By the end, you'll know what you should do next.
Meet Sarah. She lives with her husband and 2 children. Their old furnace finally gave up. The quote for a replacement heat pump? Exactly $18,000. Yes, you heard that right. The good news is, her household income is the qualifying limit, and she's in one of the strongest positions for HEEHRA Phase II. Next, she can find a HEEHRA certified contractor, join the Phase II waitlist, and apply for CARE to start saving on her electricity bills while she waits. For Sarah, a little patience today could save thousands tomorrow. Now meet David. He lives in Los Angeles and earns a good income. He'd heard about HEEHRA, so he assumed he'd be getting help with a new heat pump. Then he found out his income is too high. Most people would stop there, but David didn't. Even though HEEHRA wasn't an option, LAWP still offered generous rebates on Quali program says no, doesn't mean another one won't say yes. Finally, imagine this. You've booked the installation, the contractor is ready, the paperwork is signed, everything is set. But nobody tells you one crucial detail. With HEEHRA, timing matters. Your rebate needs to be approved. This must happen before installation begins. Get that wrong and it could cost you thousands. Spend 5 minutes checking the application process. It will save you money.
The biggest mistake isn't missing a rebate, it's not knowing one was available in the first place. If this video saved you time, money, or an expensive mistake, subscribe to the Thermo Expert, where every guide is researched, verified, and designed to help you make smarter home energy decisions. I'll see you in the next one.
Discover expert advice on smart thermostats from the Thermo Expert. Get the Amazon Smart Thermostat for your home. Smart thermostat advice that actually helps.